Hello everyone. Today I will be sharing with you how my family stay refreshed during the hot summer days by making and creating our own melon fruit bowl. Okay, let's begin. I will cut this melon into 2 halves. Remove both ends. Two more parts, then another part. Okay. Okay, so I'll remove this end and the other hand and cut into equal parts. I'm done with the watermelon. I'm moving on to the honeydew. So I'll cut both ends. Then cut into 2 halves. After that, I will remove the seed. Okay, finish removing the seeds. So now I'll cut it again into 4 equal pieces. Then I remove it, slide into the bowl. The same process. This is the last part, cantaloupe. So I'll remove, as usual, remove both hands. Then cut it into 2 halves. I'll remove the seeds. And that one too. Into 2 halves. Put this one aside, then cut it again to 4 pieces. After that, like this, I'll bring the fruit bowl closer. Then I remove from the bottom and slice it. Shape the top a little and get it in. This one do the same. I just slide the top a little. This is the end of my summer fruit bowl. Look at it. Watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew. Beautifully made. I will store this in the fridge and it can last us for about 1 week. If you have enjoyed watching this video with me, please join me again next time. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. Bye.